Hey, welcome to Cooking Around's channel. Boy, do I have a surprise for you. A surprise for a game or a gathering. What's it called? It is called Beef Nacho Supreme, but not just a regular one. This is a classic one. This is the one that I've been making for many years that people seem to enjoy more. Now, just take a look at this. The beef, the sour cream, the tomatoes, the taco spices. It makes this one awesome treat for everybody. And don't forget to stick a piece of chip in there, turn it around, pull that cheese out, and don't forget to twirl. Now, guess what? My wife is not home. I made this. This is all for me, but I'm going to show you how to make this. Grab yourself a large pan, add 1 to 2 tablespoons of olive oil, and now let's get that ground meat in there. Here I'm using about 2 pounds of medium ground beef, but if you want, you can go to lean beef. Now keep the temperature on medium high, and now I want you to take 1 medium onion and let's chop it all up and put that in there. Now let's stir it and blend it all around. So let's this thing go for a while. Let's try to get all the moisture out of it, as you can see. And when it reaches about this stage, we're ready to add some things. Here I'm making my homemade taco herbs and spices. You know, that's really up to you. If you want, you can buy a package mix that will do the same job for you. Look in the description below and you'll see how to make this. Now I'm adding 1/4 cup of ketchup. Add 3/4 of a can of black beans, and I had them rinsed and drained very well. Okay, let's cover it now. Reduce the heat to low and let this go and cook for about 10 to 15 minutes. And once again, I shall be back. Grab yourself a plate, basically any plate you want, and add some corn chips to it. Now, I use this unsalted corn chips, but that's basically up to you. Now grab your meat mixture. How much you put on, well, I cannot really tell you. That depends on you. So here I'm putting maybe what, 1, 2 ladles for basically this serving size. Okay, now here comes the cheddar cheese. Here I'm using old aged cheddar cheese, and how much you put depends on you. Now I'm going to put it in the microwave for about almost a minute, but if you don't want to do that, get a heat-proof dish, put it under your grill for about 2 to 3 minutes in your oven. Okay, here it is. It took about a minute, and now let's take about 1 tomato and let's slice it up, but please drain the water away from the tomato as much as you can, and let's put that on top just like this. Boy, this is really going to be good. And this I just love, sour cream. I have to have sour cream on this recipe. Now of course you need heat, so here I'm adding hot red sliced peppers, or any kind of peppers that you would like. You know that sliced black olives really go good with everything. Okay, let's finish it off. I'm adding some sliced green onions. I'm only using the green part, and to make it look good and to taste awesome, I'm adding chopped parsley. Just take a look at this. Don't you just want to dig right in? So here's the recipe. I hope you enjoy it. I hope your friends enjoy it. And all I can say now is, once again, thank you very much for watching my video, and it's goodbye from Tony and Cooking Around.